This is the sound before. Sounds like a sewing machine. Rev. Hold it. Righto, so hopefully this has got the rattle in it that it had before. Sounds right to me. The real noise was coming from the back cylinder here, mainly at the top, so that's where the cam chain was slapping around. I don't have that noise there anymore. Maybe a little valving that's a little bit tappity. There may just have a few loose things. I'll give it a bit of a rev. Main thing is when it's idling, it's not slapping about, and it's looking alright. So there we go. When I finished the work, I had a bit of exhaust gas coming out the top, and also out of here, but it seems to have cleared up now. I haven't done anything to it. I think it was just a bit of auto sol on there. It seems to have cleared up. And there we go. Now to get ready for the next job.